Okay guys, welcome back to Exploring Temecula. Awesome video today. We're doing another community in Temecula. As some of you know, I'm going to do every single community in Temecula over the next year, so make sure you subscribe if Temecula is somewhere you are interested in. This particular video, we're going to talk about Santiago Estates. Beautiful small community. Some of the highlights that you might notice throughout the video. First, no HOA fee. Some of you, a lot of buyers do not want that HOA. Santiago Estates, perfect for that. Number two, large lot size. So if you have an RV, if you have kids that want to run around, if you want to put a pool in, this is an awesome area to do all of that. And number three, the homes are going to be a bit bigger in this neighborhood. Anywhere from 4,000 square feet up. I did notice that a couple new builds were going up in this area and they were definitely not 4,000 square feet. So, having said that, really excited to show you the community and around here, and make sure you subscribe down below. We do everything Temecula. Look at those views, just amazing. We do everything Temecula, and we're going to show you every community. And another thing, every single one of my videos now has a home search in the description. This home search will specifically be of Santiago Estates, nothing else. So yeah, make it easy. We don't ask you to sign up. Just if you plan on moving to Temecula, keep us in mind, give us a call. My name is Joel. I'm broker and owner of Greenleaf Real Estate, and my wife is a certified licensed appraiser. So yeah, let's get into the video and show you this beautiful community. As always, I wanted to show you where Santiago Estates is. Here's the 15 freeway. You're going to get off on Temecula Parkway. You're going to drive up to Murrieta Road, which is right here. Santiago Estates is right in this area right here. You can take two roads, Jedediah Smith Road right here, or you can take Santiago Road right here, and it is in this area. Lots of amenities nearby, which I'm going to get into later, but let's get into the video. So now that you have an idea of the landscape, what Santiago Estates looks like, one of the things I talk about in a lot of my videos is how convenient most of these communities are in Temecula. Yes, you're in the country. Yes, it's quiet. Yes, you have rolling hills with massive, crazy views. But you can get to grocery stores, restaurants, things like that really quick. And right now I'm just going to hop in my car and I'm going to take you guys to the nearest shopping center or grocery store and just give you an idea how long it takes. Another thing that I forgot to mention, this area is going to be on a lower tax rate, comparably speaking to others. So, let's call it a 1.2 up to 1.5. I don't know exactly, but it's definitely going to be on the lower end or the lower scale of tax rates, which is always a good thing. Newer homes, some communities in Southern California are absolutely crazy in regards to what taxes are. So, there you have it. Let's go and let's just show you what you have close here if you are living in Santiago Estates. Wow, that was quick. Only took 4 seconds. Actually 3, but my point is you get to live in rolling hills, 2-acre parcels, country, live that lifestyle, and within 3 minutes be at grocery stores and restaurants, which I'm going to show you right now. This is what makes Temecula unique. You can live in these amazing communities and still have all of these amenities really close by. You even have a real estate company, but you're not going to use them. Okay guys, so this is Temecula Parkway. It took me 3 minutes to get here, and I'm not going to show you every single store because that would be a 35-minute video, but there is absolutely every grocery store, restaurant, fast food, gasoline, anything that you want is right along this street. Okay, so we are having one of our Temecula 100-degree days, so I'm going to finish off the video in here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, if that's what you're looking for, the country life, larger lots, bigger homes, this Santiago Estates is a small community that's going to give you all of that, plus, as I showed you, amenities really close by. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go in the description for a home search of Santiago Estates. If there are no homes available right now, just put yourself on a drip and anything that comes up will automatically go to you. Make sure you call us if you ever decide to move to Temecula, or if you decide to sell in Temecula. We'd be glad to help. Until next time, thank you very much from Exploring Temecula.